Actual preparation was from December. It was just attending classes, that's it. Self-study and all was nothing. So after class, like 2 hours of study, that's it. Then Hyderabad, almost I did everything, the whole book, CUT, the whole book. After I came out of the exam hall, it didn't give me a feeling that I did well. PDFs and all were really helpful, all those Indian economy, everything. Just PDFs that I read, nothing, no books, nothing. Just the PDFs that you provided, that was all my source. Sir made it so simple and macro concepts, everything. It was quite understandable. It was really good. It was very efficient, I would say. It was my very good choice to like pick up Edushow.
Hi everyone, so today we have with Chetna Jain, and let's congratulate Chetna first for making it to DSE, IGITI, JNU, all those places. So congratulations Chetna, tell us a bit about your background.
Firstly, thank you so much, ma'am. I'm Chetna. I did my undergrad from Madras School of Economics.
Alright, where are you from originally?
I'm from Chennai.
You're from Chennai only. Okay, so Chetna, when did you start your preparations? I remember interviewing you for the scholarship.
I enrolled, like actual preparation was from December. That is when I started preparation. It was just attending classes, that's it. Self-study and all was nothing. Only after December it was there.
When did you join the classes? You joined in June, July, right?
Yeah, June, July itself, yes.
Yeah. So June, July to December, you were just attending classes.
Yes.
But not doing self-study.
No.
No, even the tests and all did not motivate you that I should study.
Like weekends mein kabhi I would do the tests, all those. The thing was the college itself was so hectic. It was like till 3:30, then coming back. So I
Right.
started it from December only.
So then December you thought high time now.
December it was like holidays for me. My sem got over, so December one full month I
Okay.
had gap. So I started studying from then.
So my question is that when you started in December, how did you do? Did you do like your week areas first, or did you do the syllabus sequentially?
Yeah, I started from first. I started seeing the recorded videos first, and then I used to do the questions, like one video, and then questions according to that.
Okay.
That was my strategy.
Okay, so you did watch the video, did the questions.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. And time management, how did you, I mean, December you said you didn't have college, but then from Jan onwards again you would have started college, right? So then how did you manage your time?
So after class, like 2 hours of study, that's it. I think 8 o'clock classes would get over, right?
Yeah.
After which 8:30 to 11ish I would study.
And this you did till when?
Till CUET.
This you did till CUET.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you do any special kind of preparation? Because every paper is so different with different, some focus is different.
Yeah, so IIT JAM, IIT GATE was completely different. So the books that you provided, the CUET papers, those Hyderabad, I did those completely.
Okay. So
yeah,
what past year papers did you do?
JNU 5 to 6 past 5 to 6 years papers. Then Hyderabad, almost I did everything, the whole book. CUT, the whole book.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So when you were giving the CUET exam,
yes,
at that time, what did you feel that, oh, I did this right and I didn't do this right? Like any sorts of feelings were going on?
This time the paper was something, I don't know. After I came out of the exam hall, it didn't give me a feeling that I did well. Like there were 40 questions economics. If you knew economics, like those questions properly, then easily 180 you could have gotten. Rest 10 questions, that like it was like a bit of educated guess only. Like 2 of the options were known. From that you could just guess it. That is what I did.
Okay.
I attempted everything. My case was I attempted all 75. So I was more scared. Negative, because if you attempt one question you get 4, but if you don't you just lose 1 mark. So even if you do 10 tukka, out of that at least if 2 was right, it gets squared off. So I was like, let's attempt everything.
A lot of the theory questions also that came this year, where you had to say what was the production of that year and this year, so you guessed everything.
No, you provided this the Indian economy ka so many PDFs. There were like 2-3 questions from this author came. There's some author's ka book, then all they asked. So I was able to guess all this. I knew 2 options from that, so I just figured it out from that.
Okay.
So it was all those. The PDFs and all were really helpful. All those Indian economy, everything.
Oh, that's so nice to hear. So what I understand from you is that you did the PDFs, you did the past year papers. So some hint from here and there you got, and you were able to,
Yes.
take an educated guess and manage it.
Yes.
I guess that's what you can hope for in CUET also. I don't think you can, ever predict this is what is going to come. So, in terms of handling this Indian economy, because it's such a vast topic, any particular strategy for that?
Just when you we can't sit and read it focused because it's fully theory, you get bored easily. So
Yeah.
when you're done something like math, a heavy topic or something, you want to just relax, just give it a read. That's it. Just PDFs that I read, nothing, no books, nothing. Just the PDF that you provided, that was all my source.
So you should so when did you start doing Indian economy?
It was just like 2 weeks before COET.
Okay. It's 2 weeks before CUET, you just read all through the PDFs and you were just doing the past year papers of, Hyderabad, JNU,
All this,
CUET.
yeah.
That's it. Okay. All right, sounds good. In terms of doing the theory subjects like micro, macro, math, stats, that I'm sure would not be so challenging for CUET. Those were pretty doable, right?
Yeah, yes. It
Okay.
was all theory-based questions only, so fine.
Correct.
They didn't ask anything in maths, just like standard deviation of 7, 8, and 9. That was the question.
So sounds good. I think you are making it sound very easy and chill for people. People will get some confidence कि अच्छा चलो हम भी दिसंबर के बाद पढ़ेंगे. But your basics must be there, because otherwise
Already पढ़ लिया था, मतलब undergrad में सब हो गया था. So as I was attending classes from June, so concepts were also getting cleared. So it was like we were in touch with the concepts as well.
Yeah.
So it was not an issue.
Yeah, and you have to be one of the better students because you managed to get the scholarship also. So anyways, you were one of the better students only. So even that is something to consider. Did you always want to go to IGIDR?
No, first my aim was DSC or ISI. And then when later I researched about it, then I wanted to go to IGIDR.
Okay.
I didn't know about IGIDR much before, like 1 year back.
Achha.
So later now, I got to know.
Okay, all right. Okay, Chetna. All right. So thank you so much for sharing your journey and everything. And you said particularly you didn't look at any books.
No, the books that you provided, micro, macro, they were books, right? All those that you provided were only my source.
Okay.
And the videos, recorded videos, those notes, everything, that's it.
Okay, so you just studied from the material that was given to you. So if I had to ask you to kind of sum it up, that if you had to kind of guide a general junior, that this is how you can probably look at CUET and this is what you need to focus on. And so can you just quickly give me a snapshot of what would you say?
CUET, I don't know, it's quite unpredictable. Next year it might give full math, so we don't know anything. So better study everything, you don't know what it will come. So give all the exams, JAM, GATE, ISI, everything. You get to know everything. It's not just prepare for CUET. So that will give you a good strength on everything.
Correct. I think that's a great advice to not kind of only stick to CUET, but do prepare for everything so that even CUET is kind of covered from all angles. The paper might go easy, difficult, you're covered.
Once again, thank you so much to EduSure. It was really helpful. The concepts that I didn't learn in my undergrad also, sir made it so simple, and macro concepts, everything. It was quite understandable. It was really good. It was very efficient, I would say. It was my very good choice to pick up EduSure.
Thank you so much, Chetna. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Bye.